Hello, and today I'm gonna give you some instructions about how to use USA TestPrep. And USA TestPrep is a very useful online resource to help your students in the area of science, ELA. There are different subjects of middle school and high school, and there are a lot of resources for students to get help for high school or middle school state tests. And USA Test Prep, let's go to the website and you click on this login. And mine, it's since I already have the account, and it will just take me to the website. And on the website, that's what you are going to see. Or like 6th grade, 7th grade. You're gonna have different resources by depending on what you're teaching. And first of all, if you're an admin, this icon will be visible to you. And before you start using, I recommend you to use webinars, and it will bring you up some videos about how to use the website effectively. And you can always go back by clicking on home button right here at the top left corner. And also you can take a tour, and it will which icon is for what. It will give you those informations. And if you can click on any place on the screen, and it will take you back to home page, sorry. And down here, if you scroll down, and you're going to have classes, you will have to create classes for each student. Will have a username and password for them, and you can also create a new student if you get a student, or if you drop off, you can if any student drop off, you can also delete their account if you want to. And also you have access to students' passwords from here on this icon. You can just student's name, put student's name here, click on search. It will bring you student's password if they forget it. And you can create assessments and assign those to the students. You can see, as you see over here, the assessment name and the code. Students cannot take the assessments. That's a good thing about this. Even if they can see those assessments from their account, they cannot take it without this code. You can always assign it, or you can also lock it. Hold up. I'm going back to the assignments. Over here, you can lock this assignment and unlock it by clicking on here, and let students, whenever you want students to start taking it, you can unlock it. And also, I didn't create assignment, but you can also create an assignment by clicking here, create new assignment. You can click on objectives and pick the questions. There are a lot of open-ended and fill in the blank, multiple choice, a lot of different style of questions. 8th grade science, and it will bring you a bunch of resources, online resources. You can click on any of those, and those are printable resources for you. View standards, underneath this. That's really cool right here about each objectives. Different videos, vocabularies, questions for students to do, and you can let your students complete those and grade them based on this. That's all I would like to tell you about the USA TestPrep. It's really a useful tool for your classroom. Thank you so much for watching this, and have a good night.